HP is a PC and printer manufacturer company. They have been stagnating over the last couple of years or even potentially declining. In today's video, we want to look at whether or not buying at today's price could potentially make sense. First of all, let's look at the numbers. They made a revenue of $55 billion in the last year with a net income of $2.5 billion, which gives them a profit margin of around 4.5%, so more on the lower side. They're currently selling for roughly $20, which gives them a PE of 7. Now, let's look at the first case, a bear case. The company has already been stagnating, and for a bear case, they could even decline a bit over the next 5 years, and the profit margin could compress even further as the PC market tightens even more, and so on, and potentially AI PCs don't sell as well, and so on. However, the company has a very strong share buyback program going on. They have been diligently buying back shares over the last couple of years and are most likely intending to continue doing so. And for a declining company, it's a bit difficult to give a PE. It will probably be in the single-digit side. I'm going with a 6, considering that they're currently selling for a 7, where they are stagnating. And if they're declining, I think it would drop down even a bit further. This would take the stock price to around $23 in the next 5 years, which bought at today's price would give them an annualized return of 3.19%. Now let's look at a bull case, or at least as bullish as you can get for HP. Assuming that maybe they can make some improvements in the printers, or that AI PCs can get a bit more of a run-up in the next couple of years, they could maybe potentially increase their revenue by around 1%, but basically still keeping it stagnant. And they could potentially increase their profit margin a bit back up and increase their share buyback program even further. And considering that, they would grow back a little bit, keep their profit margins on a higher notice, I think they would still sell for a single-digit PE, but for a higher. Let's go with 8. This would take the stock price to around $64 a share, with an annualized return of 26.5% if bought at today's price. So if we combine these two cases, this would take the stock price to around $43. And if bought at today's price, it would be an annualized return of 17.17%. So that is actually higher than I would expect it. And it's a great example that even though a company is stagnating or potentially even declining, you can actually still get a potentially good return out of it. And keep in mind that this does not include the dividends. So the company has been paying roughly 3 to 5% dividends yearly, depending on when you buy. So the return on there could be even higher. But of course, only if these numbers actually come true. The company is on such low price for a reason. They could potentially decline further and so on. So it's very important to do your own research. I personally already own a small position in HP, and I'm looking to maybe increase that as potentially the price drops down even further. But let me know what you guys think about the company, whether or not it can be actually a good deal to buy right now, and I will see you in the next video.